Hello everybody, it's Brian, your sales consultant from Steele Hyundai, located at 3625 in Kempt Road in Halifax. Today I'll be showing you the 2022 Hyundai Tucson in the preferred trim with all-wheel drive. This is a multi-purpose SUV for those with multi-purpose lifestyles. This Tucson's been completely revamped for 2022 with dramatic new modern design. It's roomy, fitted with an impressive set of face safety and tech advancements. Starting from the front of the vehicle with its striking new design and bold stance, it has daytime running lights seamlessly integrated into the cascading front grille. Just below that, we have premium projection LED headlights. It has sporty 17 alloy wheels, side mirrors fitted with LED signal indicators. These LED taillights with a striking graphic design bookend the LED strip across the back of the vehicle. As you can see, it has ample cargo space with 1,098 liters of available storage. That's 20% larger than the 2021 model. And if you require even more storage, this Tucson's equipped with flush roof rails, giving you the option to easily add a Thule rooftop carrier, providing you the extra space for that summer vacation or that winter ski trip. Checking out the interior, at first glance, you see a layout that's wide, expansive, and well refined. We have ample room for backseat passengers and reclinable back seats. Also with air vents for the backseat passengers as well. We have a streamlined dash with advanced features. Starting with this user-friendly 8-inch digital touchscreen display that has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Integrating your phone into the display, that's a real advantage when using maps off your phone. This vehicle comes with complimentary BlueLink that allows you to remote start your car and remote climate control your car. Even if you forget if you've locked the car as you entered the mall, you can check this on your phone and lock it remote. This vehicle has all the modern conveniences of a premium vehicle. Push button start, remote start, heated seats, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, keeping your hands warm on those cold winter morning commutes. The Tucson comes equipped with a 2.5 4-cylinder GDI engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. The engine produces 187 horsepower with 178 pounds-feet torque. It comes with all-wheel drive, great when you need a little bit more traction on your summer vacation or when you're trying to get through one of our Nova Scotia winters. The fuel economy of the Tucson comes in at 9.8 in the city, 8 on the highway, and a very respectable 9 combined over 100 kilometers. When it comes to safety, Hyundai has spared no expense with this 2022 Tucson. It is loaded with forward collision avoid assist with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, blind spot assist, rear cross traffic assist, safe exit warning, lane follow assist, and lane keep assist. And that's a wrap for the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Steele Hyundai 902-454-1000, HRM's preferred Hyundai dealer.